This video will show you how to make a job offer in NHS Jobs. Before starting, it might be a good idea to familiarise yourself with the roles and permissions. From the dashboard, scroll down and choose Roles and Permissions. Then, expand Offers and Checks, and this will show you all of the different actions and who can complete them. When you're ready to start making an offer, choose Ready to Offer from the dashboard. Then, find the role which you want to make an offer for and choose Select Applicants to Offer. This is the page which you'll choose your successful applicants from. You are also able to choose not to offer this job to any applicants by following this link. Before sending any rejections, it's important to contact the applicants offline first to tell them they've been unsuccessful and give them feedback. In this video, I will be offering to 2 applicants. So, for this example, I'll choose No, Return to Review Applicants, and then choose Continue. On this page, select the applicants which you want to make an offer to. Then scroll down and choose Continue to Offer. This page confirms the applicants who you're ready to offer, and on a separate tab, shows you those who weren't successful. Choosing Ready to Reject, you now have the option to choose Send a Rejection to all applicants, or choose which applicants to reject. If you choose not to reject an applicant, you will still be able to offer them the job if you want to at a later stage. But in this example, I will choose Send Rejection to all applicants. The next page asks if you are sure that you want to reject all unsuccessful applicants. Then, do you want to provide an email address for unsuccessful applicants to contact? Finally, review the email and then choose Send Rejection. You'll then see a confirmation screen that you have rejected the unsuccessful applicants. Choose Manage Offers, and then choose the first person that you want to send an offer to. Next, choose whether it's a fixed or a pay range. In this example, I'll choose Pay Range. Then, enter the values from and to, the time frame. In this example, we'll keep this as a year, and then add in any additional details such as HCAS. Then choose Save and Continue. Now choose the working pattern, in this example full-time, and then choose Continue. Next, add in how many hours or sessions they will be working a week, save and continue, and then choose how you want to send the offer letter to the applicant. In this example, we'll choose to upload an offer letter. Save and continue. Select Choose File. Find the file which contains the offer letter, and then choose Open. Then Upload, and then Save and Continue. It's worth remembering that documents for an offer letter must be a doc, docx or PDF file, and must not exceed 1 MB in size. If your organisation has any supporting information on the account, it will be displayed on the screen for you to select. If your organisation doesn't have any supporting information, or you don't want to add it to this job offer, just choose Continue. This page allows you to check all of the details, make any changes using the change links, and once you're happy, choose Continue. The final step is to review the email which will be sent to the applicant. When you're happy, choose Send Offer to Applicant. You'll now see confirmation that the job offer has been sent. Choose View the applicants offered the job, and on the Manage Offer screen, you'll see that the applicant has been sent an offer. On the Ready to Offer tab, choose Create and Send Offer, and follow these steps again for each applicant. That's the end of how to make an offer in the NHS Jobs service.